Hey YouTube, you got the old Mongo man here with you this morning, Saturday morning, about 8:50. Headed through Wellsburg on our way to pick up the next Mongo's Garage project. I know what you're thinking. I can hear it from here. Why another project, Mongo? You have Phoenix to finish. You've got BOV1 to do. You've got Too Tall to work on. You've got Pat. What are you doing? Well, there comes a time in every man's life that one project comes across his plate. You know, the one that he's always wanted, and it's going to be the real deal. And you just got to go get it. You just got to lay down, and you know, you only live once, and we all know that this life is short. So we're going to pick this one up. I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. I know I'm going to enjoy it, but we're on our way to pick it up. So you can come along with us here. Do appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, checking out the channel. Plenty of other videos to watch, other projects underway. But for the meantime, that's what we got going on this morning. Glad you're here. Come along with us. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man here following KJ out of the pickup. What we went and got is on the trailer, and I'm watching him drive out the road here. Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? Huh? Oh boy. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo man here down in Wellsburg, West Virginia at Rowdy's Wash, the official car wash of the Mongo's Garage YouTube channel. So, what did we buy? Well, that's the big question, huh? This is the part of it you've got to see so far. What we have here is a reproduction of a 1966 Cobra 427. This particular reconstruction was built by a company called Street Beast. Pretty much well known on the internet as one of the cheapest kits that you could buy, and they have been out of business since 2001. Got the full chassis. It uses a Mustang 2 front end and a Fox Body Mustang rear end. It's set up to take either a small block Ford or a small block Chevy. I have the motor mounts for either. It is gel coated in dark gray, and it was supposed to stay that color. It most likely will still end up gray, but it won't be gel coated, it will be real paint. The doors, the hood, the trunk. So ever since I was a little kid, I've always loved this car. I always wanted one. This opportunity came up from one of the family members, and I pined over it for a long time. Did a little bit of research on the company, on Street Beast. And we'll go into all that eventually, but it is quite the sordid history And what we ended up with is we ended up getting it. Got it for a really reasonable price. And we're going to put in the line of projects to do. Obviously, there's a bunch of those, so this one won't get done for a while, but we got to start collecting parts. Right now, we're going to get it washed. All right. So we got home here. We're just offloading everything out of my truck. We'll give you a real quick rundown of what we got. Of course, there's the fuel tank. These are, from what I'm guessing or looking at, these are going to end up being inner fender wells. Inner fender well, actually that's the rear cover for the dry shaft. I think these are inner fender wells as well. This is the windshield assembly. These are window assemblies, side window assemblies. That is the rear cross member for the transmission. Check this out. This is special. Now, remember when I told you that this kit is renowned on the internet as being low quality? Check those welds out. That's a thing of yeah. Who in their right mind would do that? Anyway. That is the steering wheel, or the steering wheel support, or what they're calling the cowl support. Of course, that's the driver's door. That is the front bumper to a Mustang. I got a couple little pieces over here. I think that piece right there is actually going to be the support for your master cylinder. I'm not real sure what those are behind there. And a long tube and a thing there. This is clear full of a tonneau cover, a cover, a roll cage. And over here we've got a whole lot of miscellaneous little brackets. So these are all going to go up on the shelf for now, and then we'll figure out where we go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of a long day. It is now 11:15 Saturday night. Just finishing up the day here in the garage. KJ had his Dana 44 TTB, starting to rip it apart. He's having some problems getting the snap ring out of the hub. So we got that out, and then I went a little ham on it and continued on and got Got the knuckle off of it, and then got the upper and lower ball joints replaced, and got the knuckle all cleaned up. This is what that looks like when it's done. Brand new Moog ball joints, upper and lower. All new stuff, ready to go. That's our new bench vise. Cute little Yoast 3.5 inch. I don't know if I showed you guys that yet or not. Picked it up the other day off of Marketplace. Then this is what we got over here. I shoved that axle back in there just so that no dirt would get into the differential. Even though I think the diff has got to come out of it, simply because it was leaking pretty good here. I don't know. Yeah, see all the oil there? So I'm going to pull that center section out of the housing and see what we got going on there. But if you look up here, you can see that we got all of the Cobra stuff stowed away for now. Pretty happy with that. It's all in that single bay right there, so we're good to go. So yeah, that's a pretty long day here in Mongo's garage. We kind of ran all over the place. I went to Bethany College down in Bethany, West Virginia for the homecoming game. They actually put in a really nice game and ended up winning. Got to watch Sis perform. She's in the visual ensemble there, so that was good. And then went to dinner with Julianne and Cheryl. So had a good old day, but that's where we're going to end it. Another busy day tomorrow. Going to be going up to Shaker Woods in Columbiana, Ohio. Check out what they've got going on up there. Got a Christmas thing happening, and we'll go from there. So, all right, the old Mongo Man is out.